looks like it's another beautiful day out in Kansas. I hope y'all are ready for whatever's going to happen. It's going to be an adventure.
We come from a long line of ranchers and sharecroppers and actually ranch managers. The Tiffany family has been in agriculture easily for over 200 years. But each of us bought 1/3 of this business with a handshake as our collateral and our down payment. Especially the livestock sector, because it requires such vast amounts of ground, and each one of these animals is very valuable in their own right. It takes a lot of machinery to take care for them, and so it's just really difficult to get into agriculture on a large scale, at least, unless you're either born into it or you marry it. And we married some pretty amazing women, but that didn't come with them. So this year we're going to feed what, Shane? 75,000 head approximately in 12 months, and we have about 40 employees and 250 to 260 customers. But these animals take that diet that to them is incredibly high quality, and they turn it into a diet that is incredibly high quality and enjoyable for us.
I'm out here at the Blythe family farm, and Certified Angus Beef is having their logo painted on the barn. It's called Brand the Barn, and this is one of many that's been done.